Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up the integration and transfer of new contacts from Zoho Inventory to the Salesforce CRM system. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new contacts from Zoho Inventory to other systems. For example, in Salesforce CRM you can create new orders and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Zoho Inventory data source system. Now you need to choose an action. In this case, I want to receive new contacts. At this point you need to connect your Zoho Inventory account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, we need to specify the login and password of the Zoho Inventory personal account. Next, you need to grant permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your Zoho Inventory account. When the connected login is displayed in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. No additional settings are provided for the Zoho Inventory system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now you see the data for one of your Zoho Inventory contacts. If everything suits you, click Continue. This completes the setup of the Zoho Inventory data source successfully. Now you need to go to the data destination settings. Choosing a system Salesforce CRM. Next, you need to select an action. Create order. Next, you need to connect your Salesforce CRM account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, specify the login and password of the Salesforce personal account. When the connected login is displayed in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. At this point, you see the Salesforce CRM fields for creating a new order. You can assign variables from Zoho Inventory to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Note that you can use not only variables, but also write values manually. To go to the next line, use Enter. When all necessary variables are assigned, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Salesforce CRM as new orders for each new contact from Zoho Inventory. If something does not suit you, click Edit and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Salesforce CRM. After successful submission, go to Salesforce CRM and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes the Salesforce CRM data ingestion setup. Now you need to enable auto update and select the update interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.